Hello, welcome to the assessment class under the addition and subtraction of like terms. After you have gone through the video of the class that I just delivered under addition and subtraction of like terms. Now, when you look at the assessments are also left to you for you in the categories discussed in the class. And I've just done just a little change to the numbers here, just for you to test your knowledge. So when you look at this, it's in the category of same signs. So your results are to be put here. And when you look at this, is in the categories of different signs. And this is when we are now combining the number with variables. Now, the only thing I want to give you as an additional clue to solving this is that when you see an unknown standing alone, you must know that the number that is behind it that is invisible to you is actually 1. It's just like you having a fruit standing alone, just a fruit. So let's say this is a mango. You cannot just look at it and call it 2 mangoes. It's actually what? 1 mango. But the one will not be there. You just say that what? You have a mango. So when you see y standing alone, 1 is actually there. It means it is 1 y. So when you look at this question means plus 9y minus 1y. 1 is here, but it will not be written. Likewise, this, you can see, this means 1x plus 3x. So 1 is there, but you are not seeing it. So because that was not actually mentioned in the course of the class, I don't want you to get confused. So give this a try and let me know in the comment section how easy you find these questions. If you're able to get your answers, you can just test your answer. The number 1 under same sign, number 2, number 3, let me know your answer under this and under this. Well done, and I wish you all the best in mathematics. Thank you.